Today we have a prescribed burner certification workshop. This one is a forest land workshop. The purpose here is for people who are doing prescribed burns that they will have a certification that will give them a certain amount of liability protection and also will help with smoke management and air pollution aspects of having prescribed burns. The main purpose is to prevent wildfires. We don't want severe wildfires like the ones that make it on TV. A good way to prevent that is to burn when conditions are optimal, and you can burn the excess material that's in the forest without burning everything that's there. And it benefits the forest, it benefits the wildlife. Many of the wildlife, deer and the turkey, they like the kind of vegetation that's there after a burn. It's legal to burn without this training. The problem is that you may not have the knowledge of exactly when to burn. Sometimes people burn when it's too dry, the humidity is too low. So through education that goes along with the certification, we can assure that people understand what are the conditions that will cause you to have problems and how to avoid those problems.
We collaborate with our friends at the Louisiana Department of Ag and Forestry because they actually regulate or manage the Certified Burn Manager program, and the AgCenter brings the educational part of it. We also have collaboration with our friends from the Louisiana Department of Wildlife and Fisheries. They talk about wildlife habitat and the benefits to that habitat from doing prescribed burning.
The information we've gotten on the fire weather and how to go find the information from the National Weather Service has been a big help. It'll give me a little more planning ability to know what the smoke's going to do when we get done.
Communication is so important, and it's important for accomplishing the task, and it's important for safety. With every burn you're going to have a crew. That crew could be a 2-person crew, it could be a 10-person crew. Somebody has to be the boss of that operation. So you have one fire boss, and that's the person everybody reports to. That's the person who determines which crew goes where, who lights up a fire where. It's interesting. There's a lot of things that are going on, and the person that's the fire boss has to keep all these things in mind. Yeah, it's a lot of fun, and there's always some excitement in the air going with a fire.